kubatkana amono mbugiro bwa bateresa gose abanas korwa ase county ya Nyamira nigigati aba MCA korwa sensemeyo babiri bagwesokia nagote babuna nerubuya eserikali county ya Nyamira guchia kubakana engeri yabo okwana kinga kecho nigo omo MCA bewodi yabugichora kubaterana amona aba MCA bande nigo babiri bagotemna nigo barachi gutenna amona abanasi yabo guika babiri bakonyora kibasya
every year, and I'm saying this because I've been the budget chair up to now. Every year we provide funds for promotion and recruitment. Now, what we are going to task the relevant departments, why they are employing the staff that we promote requires accounting and leaving the key staff of nurses. They are busy employing staff who are just idling in the streets because they want an easy option of corruption. A professional staff will not give money to be recruited, so they go the easy way where they can get money for them to employ. So it is an issue of corruption. The county assembly, based on that, like a month now, through the chairman Piat, the menu, we gave a small injection.
Umekuwa mkitusaidia na mumefanya kazi, lakini in return you are getting what you don't deserve. I know and I'm aware of the grievances that we are talking about today here.